I see potential. What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, we are going to talk about ticker symbol MOD, Modine. This is a company that I've been profiling for a while. I actually did a video here talking about it a while back. So again, I want to go in depth and talk a little bit about this company because I see that this company is approaching a point where they're going to be making some good moves, and I want you guys to be aware of and hopefully get in early now that things are still where the company is at. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So Modine is a company that produces thermal cooling for different industries. So the reason why I want to bring this up to you guys is because I see this company actually branching out and taking advantage of where we are today with electric vehicles. If you guys know, when we first started with electric vehicles, it looks like it was only Tesla that was doing it. And now we see that a lot of other companies are starting to pick up the pace and coming up and trying to keep up, with Tesla. So what Modine did with Tesla, their Model S, was that Modine provided the cooling system for the batteries for that Model S. So if you think about how massive the batteries are for these electric vehicles, they need some sort of cooling system, otherwise the thing will get hot and explode. So Modine, they pride themselves as the #1 leader in cooling systems. So you see, they are in pretty much every industry, HVAC, commercial vehicles, data centers, off highways, power and industrial, refrigeration. And so again, they're everywhere, but the one area that I want to bring it to us, because as we have this what I call the EV revolution, is that Modine can play a huge part in that space. Right now, all the research I did is that they've only worked with Tesla. I don't know if other companies, other EV manufacturers are approaching them so that they can actually help them with cooling the batteries. That is left to be seen, but I want to make sure that you guys are in play for this. So when we were doing this video, Modine is currently trading somewhere at about $12.11. Again, this is just pulling back from their high of, if you can see here, just a week ago, they have a high of about $12.86. So again, pull back, that's usually a good place for us to get in. So if you miss this pullback here, that was not a bad pullback. So anticipate, again, for me, I think anything under $12 would be ideal for you to get in for this particular stock. And hopefully, as we get into next year with all the momentum of clean energy, electric vehicles, Modine might see a huge move in that space and start signing some big contracts. Again, Tesla uses them to cool their Model S. I don't know if Tesla has plans to expand them to the different models that they have, the Y and the rest. So if they can do that, I think Modine is sitting at the crossroad where they can definitely explode. So again, I wanted to bring this to your attention because it's a stock that I talked about here on the channel. I mentioned it with other stocks that I think were EV suppliers, but I want to single out Modine and really make sure that you guys cover it, because of all these other ones, the key component of electric vehicles, guys, is the battery. And if your battery is not secure, if your battery is overheating, if your battery doesn't have the proper cooling system, I think you have an issue. So Tesla using them has proven that this company is reputable and they can actually do the job. So they call themselves the battery chiller. So they cool the batteries. So I think it's a tremendous amount of opportunity. Again, if not, they are in other industries, like I mentioned. So it's not just EV cars. EV cars is probably going to be, right now, it's probably just a very tiny bit of their business. But I think the future is that they're going to expand into that space because more and more manufacturers are going to start using them to cool their batteries as we expand into more electric vehicles. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about Modine? I mean, again, from my perspective here, the way I see it is that the company has a very tiny business right now in the electric vehicle space because they work with Tesla and the Model S. I think that more and more companies are going to start using them in the future to help them with the battery, because the battery is the most critical component of electric vehicles. It determines how far you can go, and a lot of other features that operate in the car depends on the battery. So if your battery is overheated, definitely you cannot do anything. So that's what I wanted to talk about to you guys. So let me know in the comment section again what you think. If you're new to the channel, guys, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. Also, guys, if you want to help my work here, the best way to do it is to smash that like button and that share button so that we can reach more people. If you're looking to get started with investing, WeBull is currently doing a promotion where if you sign up now and deposit $100, you get 4 free stocks. Link in the description below. And as always, do your homework, don't be a greedy savage, and stay motivated.